In this session, we'll talk about Quick Look and copying something from Quick Look. So let's use the documents I have on my desktop right here. In order for me to activate Quick Look, I'll select my document once and then press spacebar. This gives me a quick preview of the document I'd like to see. If I want to open it, I can select Open or press spacebar again to minimize. Let's use this document right here once again. So we'll tap on it once, press spacebar, and let's say there's some content here that I'd like to copy and paste somewhere else. All I have to do is simply just hold my cursor and select the content, and then make use of the keyboard shortcut Command-C to copy it. Once I'm done, I can press spacebar and go and paste that wherever I would like. And there we go. That's how easy it is to make use of Quick Look and copy.